Dr. Amir, who is most vulnerable to cough?
People with weakened immune systems, young children, the elderly, and individuals with respiratory conditions like asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease are particularly vulnerable to coughs. Environmental factors, such as exposure to allergens or pollutants, can also increase susceptibility to coughing.
Dr. Amir, why cough worse at night?
Coughing can worsen at night due to several factors. Postnasal drip, lying down causing mucus to pool, increased irritation in the airways when breathing dry air, and suppressed cough reflex leading to accumulation of irritants. Treating underlying causes and using proper sleep positioning